Hello, everyone. My name is Rodrigo Garcia. Today, you're going to learn how to create a sandwich menu for your PowerPoint project. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's start. The first thing you'll do is insert a rectangular shape that is 7.5 inches tall. The width is up to you. Next, we'll add a second rectangular shape to create a button. It should be the same width as the first shape you added. Format these shapes by changing the color, adding shadows, erasing the outline, or any color combination you like. In this example, I'll add the home title to this first button. We'll add the other buttons later. Add a new shape that will serve as a tab for our sandwich menu. You determine the size. I recommend that it protrudes enough to be visible. Next, join the two shapes that will create our drop-down menu. Make sure you do not combine the home button. For this exercise, I will change the color button color to make it more visible. Create the menu sandwich icon by inserting a horizontal line in the drop-down menu tab and format it. Then, duplicate it twice. Group the lines into the shape of the drop-down menu. To do this, select all the shapes to be joined and right-click on Group, then Group All, or from the Shape Format menu. Rename the shapes. In this example, I will name the shapes as Sandwich Menu and Home Button. Select all the shapes and drag them to the left. They should be outside the work area, not touching the left edge, but very close to it. The Sandwich Menu tab should be visible inside the work area. Next, keep both shapes selected and add the to the right movement animation. This animation will be used to introduce the shapes. Adjust the shadow of each shape using the red guide point. Both shapes must be within the work area as shown in the video. Make sure that both shapes are positioned correctly so that when you animate them, they move in a coordinated manner. Now, add the exit animations. This animation will create the exit effect to the left. You have to adjust the star guide point by placing it exactly where the previous animation ends. Then adjust the end guide point by placing it exactly where the previous animation begins. Use the example in this video as a guide. Let's make a quick stop and see how the animation is going. Great! Both animations are working. Let's continue. Duplicate the button as many times as necessary, depending on the number of sections you are going to create. Place them with the desired space between each button. I want them adjacent. Rename each button section. Then, rename each button from the selection panel. Next, we'll assign the entrance animations to an action button. You can recognize the entrance animations by the little icon that has a green dot on the left and a red dot on the right. Select all of them by holding the whole button. Then from the animation panel, select Trigger and Sandwich Menu. Change the animation times to 25 milliseconds. Now select all the exit animations. You will recognize them because they have the same icon with the two dots, but reversed. Hold the Shift button and drag the animations down from the first animations you assigned to the trigger. Change the animation times to 25 milliseconds. Let's check how it goes. If you click the Sandwich Menu button, the animation effects trigger with every click. Add a new slide for each category. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+M to add a new slide. Select each button in each category and insert an action so that when the button is clicked, it navigates to the desired slide. For example, the Home button should go to Slide 2, the History button to Slide 3, and so on. To insert an action, go to the Insert menu, then Action, then Hyperlink to, and finally, the Slide option, and select the desired slide number. Copy all the shapes and paste them into each slide. Change the color of each button depending on the section that is selected. For example, in Slide 2, the Home button should be highlighted, so I will change the color to black. For Slide 3, the History button should be highlighted, and I will change the color to black, and so on. Let's see how the animation goes. When you click each category, the menu closes. When you redisplay the menu, it shows the section highlighted in black. The last thing you have to do is add the transition effect morph to all slides and change the transition time to 25 milliseconds. As you can see, after I click on a menu that I had previously opened, the sandwich menu remains displayed. To close it, just click on the Sandwich menu tab. The last thing you have to do is to insert all the content to each slide. Also, you can format the templates of your presentation. If you want to learn how to do it, find the master slide video in the PowerPoint playlist of this channel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye-bye.